In my last video, I walked you through the devastating effects of amino acid deficiency on your body and brain. Now let me share what I actually recommend to my patients to address this critical issue. First and most importantly, I recommend Amomile, which is a comprehensive amino acid complex that I've seen transform patients' health. I typically start patients on 2 capsules twice daily on an empty stomach. That's usually first thing in the morning and mid-afternoon. What makes Amomile so effective is that it provides all essential amino acids in their free form, meaning your body can absorb them immediately without having to break down proteins first. The mechanism is straightforward. When you're deficient in amino acids, your body is literally cannibalizing muscle tissue to get what it needs for critical functions like neurotransmitter production. Amomile stops this process by giving your body the raw materials it desperately needs. I also recommend supporting this with a high-quality B-complex vitamin, as B vitamins are essential cofactors for amino acid metabolism. Specifically, B6, B12, and folate help convert amino acids into the neurotransmitters your brain needs. But how do you know if you actually have amino acid deficiency? In my next video, I'll tell you exactly what lab tests to ask for.